Want to make money while you sleep? Shopify affiliate marketing might be your ticket. Shopify is a platform that helps people create online stores. As an affiliate, you promote Shopify to others. When someone signs up for Shopify using your unique link, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid for recommending a great tool. Why promote Shopify? It's easy to use, offers tons of features, and has a huge market. Plus, the commission potential is great. Ready to start earning? Sign up for the Shopify affiliate program today. It's free and easy. Looking to earn extra cash online? Fiverr affiliate marketing could be your answer. Fiverr is a global marketplace for digital services. As an affiliate, you promote Fiverr to others. Why promote Fiverr? It's a huge platform with millions of users. You can target a wide audience and earn a good commission on each sale. When someone signs up for Fiverr or makes a purchase using your unique link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Ready to start earning? Join the Fiverr affiliate program today. It's free to sign up. Check the link in the description for more info.